Hello everyone. So, like it's a very long weekend this time, like 3 days. And during this time period, I get a chance to work on a small project. So, today, what we are going to do exactly is we are going to create a small project, React project, where we will integrate some AI model directly into our React project. Let me first brief you what we are going to build today. We are going to build an AI production hub, basically a simple service where you can create any advertisement video for your product. So as you can see in my background, there is one website, uh, AI production house. This is the final outcome, but I will show you step by step how we are creating it. Let's first come to the code and see what is happening. So for this I created one small project. Let me show you that project to you, and after that I will demonstrate, provide you a demo, and show you how this project works and what is this project basically. So the first idea, I mean the first thing, what this project does, uh, it is a production hub. So like advertisement hub or movie production. So it works in a similar manner where you can create videos for your product, the advertisement video for your product. So basically, when you start this application, it will ask you to provide prompts for this, and based on those prompts or your video reference details, it will generate videos for you. So uh, okay, so let's see the code first, where how we can integrate and implement any AI model to any React application. So as you can see in this screen, I have created one small React application, AI production house engine. Now if you see in this engine, there is one package.json. So in package.json I have basic dependency. One extra dependency I used for Google AI Gen AI APIs is Google Gen AI 1.29, which is provided by Google, and via this we will call or use our AI models. Basically here for this project we are using Gemini model, Gemini and VO, to video creation and our prompt generation thing. So and this is the first thing we need to include in our project. After that, as usual, we have some like app.tcx or main.tcx. The major thing here you can see is Gemini.th. So so this is the basic AI implementation code which you can see here. So here is the first, we are defining the constants, the system prompts, and from here we are calling for production schemes. So for different purposes we are calling the actual APIs. Oh, let me show you how we can call. So these are basic payload generation and everything. Next you can see here it is looking for your API key, Gemini API key, which is you will get once you have Gemini API access, you will get one production access, production key here. That same key it is asking for here to call the API. Now you can see this is your major prompt AI reference, or you can see here we are calling the actual AI API from Google Gemini. What we are providing first, we are selecting the model reference, which model we want to use here, then content what we want to generate. In config we are passing the system instruction, the response type, and the response schema, in what format we want that result done. So this is the basic structure and basic implementation. that this AI model generation content is basically we are calling Gemini 3.1 Pro to generate some uh, our prompt for this video. Okay, so this is the major implementation thing here. Now you can see like your Gemini Pro should be configured inside your ENV or wherever, like AWS Secret Manager or wherever you want to keep it. Just use that, call this API. So these there are two simple implementation for this, and the rest of your application is as usual how you're calling, uh, how you're implementing the basic React application. It will work as usual. So let me run this application and show you what this application is actually doing. Okay, so after running this application you will get one interface like this. It's a AI production house. Basically again I am telling you, it's a, suppose you want to create one video for your product, the advertisement video. You can come to this site, and from here you can provide some basic details and it will create one video for you. So uh, let's proceed. So here it is asking for idea or concept about your ad, and some other details like content type, short film, long film, tone, cinematic or animation, or what you want to create, your target audience, duration, length, and in right side there is some reference assets where you can upload your product image, character reference, environment, and style reference. So these are some basic things, and so let's fill it. So I'm adding first my basic product detail. So here you can see there is one product called future focus flow, and I'm designing one ad where is one techie is feeling chaos and pressure at their workplace, and it is completely break down until it get this focus flow project management tool. Now I'm adding target audience as Genji techie. Okay, so next I will go and upload the reference images. So one second, let me show you some reference images as well. So I created some reference images for this. So let me show you one by one what kind of reference I'm providing to this. So the first image is my product. It's a dummy product. There is no actual product exist like this. So this is a project management tool called Focus Flow, uh, and I'm going to create one ad video for this product. Now, so this is I'm passing as my product image. The second reference image I'm passing is my character who is going to act in this ad. So this is my character reference. This is also generated by Nano Banana, I mean AI. So this is my character reference. I am adding the name, age, postures, clothes, shoes, colors, and some other basic details, different angle of the main actor. The third thing, I'm adding the environment. In which kind of environment I'm looking for that ad to be get shooted, or that ad to be get generated. So this is the third reference where I'm providing the environment reference. The fourth reference I'm providing is the storytelling, cinematic storytelling. Like first, it's get frustrated, then problem, then conflicts, transformation, and inspiration. So like there are four stage of this character is going to happen in this ad. So let's come back to our portal, and here I already uploaded this product reference image. Now I'm adding the character reference. The third is environment reference, which I already showed you. The fourth is style reference, what style I want. So now all assets are get uploaded. Now I will initialize the ad generation tool. So it is processing the data and generating some prompts scene by scene. So the story, the complete story is divided into multiple scenes. Now this scene is getting generated into different prompts. So my complete story is now divided into different prompts, different clips, if I say. So this is my the first is my complete storyboard, what we are going to do in this video. Here is the key message or flow or concept briefing and other thing on the top. Next section is scene breakdown and prompts. So here you can see like your complete story is divided into multiple scenes, and the entire prompt, your clip prompts is generated here. What is the length, the camera angle, everything is generated by this tool. And you can also see like it is getting auto split, so your one short story is getting splitted into multiple scenes, and all the prompts and other data getting generated according to that. Now you can see like there is one generate button with every scene. So if you want to generate clip by clip, it is also fine. You can simply click on it and generate it. Otherwise you can click on generate all. So this is the generate all. I am clicking on generate all button. So it is taking some time, but I skipped in video. Now
You
let's
have the
see
vision,
what is happening in
but the noise is
so this is our
deafening.
final outcome, what our AI generated ad for
It's time
focus
to clear the
flow.
chaos.
uh,
Bring your ideas into focus flow. One place to think, build, and create. Streamline your workflow. From ideas to reality, without limits. Focus flow. Create without limits.
so let's see in full screen what kind of video it is generated. So
You have the vision, but the noise is deafening. It's time to clear the chaos. Bring your ideas into focus flow. One place to think, build, and create. Streamline your workflow. From ideas to reality, without limits.
so this is our final outcome.
Focus flow.
This is our
Create without limits.
final outcome of video what we can generate ad. So from here you can download it. So basically in today's POC, this is a small uh, integration step where we can learn how we can directly call any AI models like Gemini or Perplexity or Open API models into our React directly. So that's all for today. Let's meet in our next POC. Thanks.